अनसूयोत्री संभूतो दत्तात्रेयो दिगंबरः स्मर्तृगामी स्वभक्तानां उद्धरतात भवसंकटात्. सर्वमंगलमांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः. अवधूत चिंतन श्री गुरुदेव दत्त. ओम नमश्चंडिकाय. A very very warm welcome to all the dashing, gorgeous, beautiful and little stubborn Arula super moms and devoted, caring Arula super dads watching me at this point of time. I welcome you all to the question and answer session of this week. So without further delay, would like to start with the questions.
Hello Mayuri ma'am, this is Shrija from Anand, Gujarat. My son's name is Sarvansh and he's 3.5 years old. Sarvansh has this habit of putting all the inedible things in his mouth, even the liquids. He loves trying lotion, Lysol, parachute oil, comfort, surf excel detergents, anything which is in his reach, he'll try to taste it. Recently, he also tried to eat soaps. So, we are keeping all the things out of his reach, but if he gets his hand on it, he'll try to eat it. तो किस तरीके से ये हैबिट ब्रेक करें? आई ट्राइड विद द टॉयज, बताया कि देखो इसका भी पेट दुख रहा है, इसने लोशन पिया था, अभी तुम्हारा भी पेट दुखेगा, बट ही इज़ नॉट गिविंग इट अप. वो जैसे ही उसको मिलता है वो ट्राई करता है. लोशन और पैराशूट ऑयल उसका फेवरेट है. अगर मिल जाएगा तो वो पिएगा या फिर एटलीस्ट थोड़ा एक सिप तो लेगा ही, ऐसा हो जाए. तो क्या करूं कि उसकी ये हैबिट छुड़वा सकूं?
Shrija is asking, her child is having a lot of mouthing concerns. Everything, the liquids, lotion, parachute oil or things like that, he keeps putting in his mouth. And I can understand Shrija, it's a very difficult situation for parents, okay? Because every time, like a CCTV, you cannot keep a vigilance on the child, okay? You are also busy in something, and no one is like you will get for 24 hours or all the waking hours of the child. The person is, guiding, or person is observing, and person is keeping eye on the child. So simple thing, what you have started right now, okay, with pretend characters and all, I want you to make it more punchy in the sense your emotional expression with respect to this particular habit the child is showing, the sensory concern, the mouthing concern, that has to be little robust, okay? Means see, just now you said ki I don't know how you are actually if you are attending this session, then just answer me few questions when suppose I am asking you, okay? Thing is that कि जब भी ये implement करती हो तो you are explaining. See, what is the difference between explanation and exclamation? There is a difference. Explain करना और exclaim करना. तो हमें exclamation पे ज़्यादा वर्क करना है, okay? Not on explanation. मतलब क्या है? एक्सप्लेन करना यानी बताना, समझाना, दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग कि अरे बेटा ये नहीं, देखो उसने किया, उसका पेट दुख रहा है, उसको लोशन पिया. ये थोड़ा एक्सप्लेनेशन की तरफ जाता है चीज़ें. ये पॉसिबल है, ये भी अच्छी आदत है वो एक्सप्लेन करना, दैट वी डू इन प्रिटेंड प्ले एंड एवरीथिंग. पर उससे भी ज़्यादा हमें फोकस रखना है कि हाउ कैन वी एक्सक्लेम, मतलब रॉबस्ट इमोशनल आउटबर्स्ट हमारा वहाँ बच्चे को महसूस होना चाहिए. मतलब क्या है कि सपोज यू आर टेकिंग दैट टॉय, ओके, इन फ्रंट ऑफ दिस, यू विल सी दैट थर्ड पर्सन यू आर इन्वॉल्विंग, एंड द टॉय यू आर शोइंग दैट ही इज ड्रिंकिंग दैट लोशन or that parachute oil, and you are exclaiming, hey, this is so bad, yucky, oh my god, that is something you have to show, because that's the auditory input, that is strong auditory input that the child is getting. It is going to give you little auditory reflex that okay, I need to be little alert and see what is happening. That way exclaim, no no, it's so bad. You are getting my point. अपनी भाषा में, your language, your way. But this kind of exclaims बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वी ऑलवेज यूज इंटरजेक्शन, यकी, जी, गंदा, यक, this kind of things. That's very very important, and those things will help, because your emotional outburst is the only key that which can show. And when that you can show that he is just throwing that lotion ahead, lotion ka bottle little away or parachute bottle away, and then you are going, oh my god, such a charming, such a good child, मम्मा का सुनता है, very good, बहुत अच्छे, ये फेंक देना है, इसको नहीं लेना है, yucky. This is the indirect modeling technique that you will apply. ये पहली बात हो गई. दूसरी बात, माउथिंग के लिए एक छोटा सा टेक्निक यूज़ करना है. दूसरा है कि माउथिंग होता है जिस चीज़ों के साथ, एक अच्छा सा बास्केट बनाना है. ओके, ट्रांसपेरेंट हो बास्केट या वो वेसल या फिर जो भी तुम लोगे, खोखा जैसे हम कार्डबोर्ड का है वगैरह, थोड़ा सा कार्डबोर्ड का बनाओ या फिर प्लास्टिक का कुछ यूज़ करके बनाओ कि थोड़ा सा अंदर का दिखे. अगर ना दिखे तो भी चलेगा. ऐसे बॉक्स बनाना है जिसको लीड, जैसे हमारा आते हैं ना बॉक्स, शूज़ के बॉक्स आते हैं, किसी हम लोग पार्सल मंगाते हैं उसका बॉक्स आता है, ऊपर से उसको होल करना है, मतलब रेक्टेंगल साइड पे जो कवर है, लीड है उसका, उसको होल करना है, उसको ओपन रखना है. ओके, एंड सिंपल थिंग, वेन एवर योर चाइल्ड इज डूइंग दिस माउथिंग, ओके, से समथिंग नो, वेन एवर योर चाइल्ड इज डूइंग माउथिंग, सपोज ये लोशन है, मेरे हाथ में लोशन है, मैं पीना चली, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग इट कि आई एम ड्रिंकिंग, ये मैं मुंह के पास लेकर जा रही हूँ, देन टेकिंग हिज नेम, ओके, लाइक बच्चे का नाम लेकर, जोश से लेकर, ओके, थ्रो इट इन दिस बास्केट, आई डोंट वांट इट, ओके ओके, वेरी गुड, बहुत अच्छे, क्या बात है, ऐसा मोटिवेट करना है कि वो लोशन वो फेंक दे. तीसरी बात मैं बताती हूँ तुम्हें, लोशन का क्वांटिटी कितना लेना चाहिए, फिर पैराशूट हम सी ऑलवेज रिमेंबर, अरुला डजंट बिलीव इन अब्रप्ट stopping the behavior or abruptly stopping, abruptly you can say demotivating the child or abruptly stopping the child from doing that behavior. It is always a fading technique that you should apply. Fading technique, fade करना है. Okay, tapering कहते हैं जिसे. ओके, दैट टेक्निक वी हैव टू यूज़. मतलब अगर वो इतना चम्मच भर इतना अगर वो चम्मच भर पैराशूट ऑयल झटाक से पी लेता है, तो दैट यू स्टार्ट विथ लिटिल रिड्यूसिंग द क्वांटिटी. मतलब यू विल जस्ट सी दैट कि हाँ, बहुत अर्ज आता है बच्चे को, टेंट्रम्स दिखाता है, इफ़ यू डोंट गिव इट टू हिम ही इज़ बिकम्स अनईजी एंड ऑल. तभी क्या करना है, ऐसा थोड़ा सा टेस्ट जैसा हाथ में लेकर, थोड़ा सा, देयर इज नथिंग प्रॉब्लम इन दैट. ओके, थोड़ा तेल लेकर, थोड़ा सा ये लेकर उसको चखाना है, उसको थोड़ा सा स्पून में से देना है. ओके, दिस मच ओनली, हाँ, विच अभी वी विल कीप इट, वी विल put it in the basket या box. Okay, we are put it in box and we don't want it now. Okay, now enough, yucky it is. Okay, ऐसे करके धीरे धीरे फेज आउट करो, धीरे धीरे फेड आउट करो, क्योंकि सडन स्टॉप will give rise to the meltdowns also in the child, and वो फिक्सेट हुआ है चीज़ों पे, and that fixation अगर निकालना है तो उसको धीरे धीरे ही हमें टेपर करना पड़ेगा. बट बिकॉज जनरली अदर चीज़ों का जो फिक्सेशन होता है उसको तो मैं एसेट करके यूज़ करने के लिए बोलती हूँ कि उसको ध्यान ही नहीं देना है, लेट हिम गेट फिक्सेटेड, नो प्रॉब्लम. और ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि बच्चा फिक्सेट हो गया है किसी चीज़ पे तो वो लर्न नहीं करेगा दूसरी चीज़ें, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं होता है. रादर वो फिक्सेशन उसे एक कम्फर्ट देता है, वो चीज़ें, वो ऑब्जेक्ट, इट इज़ देयर, लेट इट बी, बिकॉज दिस फेज इज़ गोइंग टू गो. बट इफ़ यू स्टॉप एट दैट पॉइंट, थिंग्स में अराइज डिफरेंटली. तो यहाँ पर जो है, लेकिन ये फिक्सेशन ये अलग है, बिकॉज इट इज़ अ मेडिकल हैज़ार्ड, इट्स अ हेल्थ हैज़ार्ड. उसकी तबीयत खराब हो सकती है, कुछ भी हो सकता है, आई मीन मतलब इल हेल्थ, देन स्टमक एक, वॉट एवर, डायरिया, डिसेंट्री और फ्रीक्वेंट इलनेसेस दैट ही कैन गेट. तो इन दिस केस यू कैन जस्ट डू. अगेन वन थिंग, लोशंस, पैराशूट ऑयल्स, अगर घर पे बड़े बड़े बॉटल्स है तो उसकी विजिबिलिटी थोड़ी कम करो. मतलब अगर वो फिक्सेड होता है रोशन पे, पैराशूट ऑयल पे, तो इतने छोटे छोटे ऑयल्स के सैशे यूज़ करना शुरू करो घर पे. मतलब छोटे छोटे बॉटल्स आते हैं, इतने इतने बॉटल्स, 100 ml के, 50 ml के, 100 ml के, ऐसे. मतलब जितना हम उसका क्वांटिटी विजुअल ये कम करेंगे, दैट डिपेंडेबिलिटी, विजुअल सीकिंग फॉर दोज ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ये चीज़ें धीरे धीरे कम होगी. लोशन का भी, जो भी लोशन है छोटी ये लेकर आओ, छोटा क्वांटिटी में लेकर आओ और समथिंग लाइक दैट. लेकिन कीपिंग द थिंग्स अवे फ्रॉम हिज विजन, दैट विल नॉट वर्क. हमें ऐसे करना ही नहीं है. कितना छुपाओगे, ये चला गया, कुछ और चला आएगा, समथिंग एल्स विल कम. तो कीपिंग द थिंग्स अवे फ्रॉम द विजन, उसको छुपा के रखना, उसको बंद करके, ऐसा कुछ नहीं करना. बिंदास आगे डाल दो, उसके सामने डाल दो. हाइपर सेंसिटाइजेशन, हमें उसे डिसेंसिटाइज करना है धीरे धीरे टुवर्ड्स ऑल दिस थिंग्स. कितना रखना है उसको, उसका विजिबिलिटी इतना देना है कि वो फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है. दैट विल कम, दैट स्टेज विल कम, बट यू स्टार्ट इम्प्लीमेंटिंग दिस टेक्निक्स एंड सी magical results will occur. Okay, they will take place. And as I say, give pressure on exclamations, your emotional this thing, and this is, I am telling it to all the mothers, be little emotionally, outburst. This is something. Yes, this is too much of no. Now Reena is saying too much of no. No kar aise, we are giving directionality. Only you can, you're not saying don't do this, don't, ये करना ही नहीं है. ओके, लेकिन यस, दैट सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन, सेल्फ अंडरस्टैंडिंग शुड डेवलप इन अ चाइल्ड कि व्हेन दीज काइंड ऑफ एक्सप्लेनेशंस आर गिवन, एक्सक्लेमेशंस आर गिवन, दैट मीन्स समथिंग इज बैड, समथिंग, एंड जनरलाइज इट टू अदर थिंग्स ऑल्सो. घर की जो भी गंदी चीज़ें होती है, ट्रैश है, ये है, वो है, शी पुटिंग इट इन द माउथ, यकी, आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू पुट इट इन द माउथ. Indirect modeling can work with family members also. The dad is sitting, dad is wanting, always not with the pretend play. Okay, always not in a pretend play. So everything, anything can be object or something, just divert it into that box बनाओ, directionality दो बच्चे को, throw it in the thing. Sometimes big objects के लिए bucket ले लो, एक मस्त colourful bucket अच्छा सा ले लो, keep it in the corner of the room and just throw the things on this. Like this is now parents are asking clips with that pen clips, this and that, mouthing, and it's a big concern for us ना बेटा कि anything that child is putting in the mouth, it should not be. Okay, ठीक. Charging wires now, see Sandeep is talking, charging wires and all these things should be done. No telling the child, he will not develop the coping mechanism. He will only understand that things I like, my dad opposes, my mother opposes, things I like. और ये छोटी छोटी चीज़ें हैं, उसके साथ बड़े बड़े, when he will grow, his likings are going to be, his choices are going to be much different. But what is good, what is bad, that is a technique, that training we need to give it to the child with these kind of techniques. Okay, indirect modeling, pretend play, and let's move to the next question.
हॅलो मॅम, माझं नाव नेहा शिंदे आहे. माझ्या मुलीचं नाव सृष्टी शिंदे आहे. ती आता 4 वर्षाची आहे. मी डोंबिवलीवरून बोलते. माझा प्रश्न असा आहे की मी तिला काही आणायला सांगितलं ना तर ती लक्ष देत नाही, आणि जर तिला बोलली तिला आईस्क्रीम खायला प्लेट आण, ती आईस्क्रीम सोबत प्लेट सोबत स्पून सुद्धा आणते. म्हणजे ती फक्त इंटरेस्ट बेस ऐकते. आणि हे जर तिला बोलली तर स्कूलला जायचं, युनिफॉर्म काढूया, तर तो युनिफॉर्म लपवून ठेवते. मी काय करू मला स्वतःला कळत नाही की मी तिचं शाळेप्रती प्रेम कसं आणू, का तिला बाकीच्या गोष्टींमध्ये कसं इन्व्हॉल्व करू.
Neha is talking about one concern, that the child is 4-year-old, and what she says ki if I ask her to get, if I give her a command, and if I ask her to get something to help, then she doesn't at all respond. She doesn't at all respond. But suppose if I say, if the mother says कि get plate for ice cream, I have got an ice cream for you, get the plate for ice cream, then she suddenly runs and all, she gets ice cream, she gets plates with the spoon also. Okay, so she is so smart and she is doing that, so mother is frustrated. Second thing, what she was telling ki whenever she has to go to school, okay, and mama says just take out the uniform, we have to go to school, then she hides the uniform somewhere, okay, where it's a tough time for mama to send her to school. She is just 4 years old. नेहा ती फक्त 4 वर्षाची. And ये simple example tells us what? We are experiencing it every day. Just tell me, all the mothers are experiencing na things of their choice. The children are doing without any efforts. And if we are after something, we want something to be, get it done, then difficulties arise and the choices and tantrums and things we face. Is it right or not? Just type it. Let me know that. रीना इज सेइंग ओके उससे बच्ची बहुत मस्त है तेरी वॉशेस इज वो गीला है मुझे नहीं जाना है स्कूल मेघना इज सेइंग रियली ट्रू यस प्रिया इज ऑल्सो सेइंग यस मैम तो दिस वी सी मतलब दिस सिंपल एग्जाम्पल देख कर भी वी पीपल आर नॉट अवेयर भाभी भी बोल रही है यस This simple example tells us so clearly that there is no problem in their language comprehension, their understanding sometimes, and their receptive things, language. The children understand everything. But what we are doing, because the child is not able to express, we consider that, अरे उसको समझता भी नहीं है. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. Their understanding, and I tell you, in autistic children, autistic or any neurodivergent child, I will say, any condition you take, okay, for that, their understanding level and their expressive level of language, there is a huge difference. But we are unable to, understand that. Now here, the concern that Neha is putting, that is called as selective hearing, which is a major concern with our children. Their neurological, you can say in a slang language, I will say, in a simple language, I will say, neurological wirings, their functionality of the neurological system, their psychological aspect of, because of the neurological impact, there are certain psychological blockages that they are getting. There is lack of coping mechanism, and that's why the first thing gets hampered is in children is listening skills. Okay, that's why the children are showing selective listening, and our journey of every Arula Supermom is getting that child's, transforming that child's selective listening to consistent listening. That's the biggest challenge. Once they start showing consistent listening, no one can stop them. Forget about these tabletop activities and techniques and concepts. These are the means of transforming your child's selective listening to consistent listening. Now in her case, Neha, what you should do, okay, simple thing. Even from the start, pick up the child at the stage that you are first observing the child, whether my child is in a position to get that or absorb that command which I am giving it to her or not. Simple thing. Child is busy or child is engrossed in some activity of hers. She is watching mobile or she is watching TV or she is doing something of her choice. She is just doing. She is engrossed. That time, first you need to create that environment. I am telling you, giving commands one after the other and not getting the success or getting it completed in a forceful way will give zero success to you. But giving only 5 commands in an hour, okay? But those with taking some little time, understanding the child and following 3 clues of commands. That is verbal clue, action clue and physical clue. So that matters a lot. Giving command is keep this bottle on the, I am just telling you, I always say that. I see on Facebook, I see a lot of so-called autism coaches. They teach their way, okay? And that way they are, giving. The way they speak to the child also. They show, they demonstrate how to increase expressive language, how to work on meltdown, how to start giving command following. But the way they are speaking, it is so soulless. The way soulless, you समझते हो ना, आत्मा ही नहीं है उस कमांड में, उस टॉक में, उसका कॉन्वर्जेशन में. And that is the way it is taught everywhere. You open YouTube, you open any this thing, any channel, Facebook, everywhere people are showing techniques and activities in a soulless manner. Because simple thing, child will listen to you when he will feel like listening to you, when he will enjoy listening to you. So your approach to the towards the child, how you are approaching, that matters a lot. So Neha, keep it in the mind that simple thing that you need to do is what? First, getting her comfort, taking her, she's engaged in some activity, or taking her, sitting near her, taking her on your lap, and little cuddling, and then start. I don't know the name of the child, but suppose the child's name is Adya. What is the name? सृष्टी. सृष्टी, चल, मला ना तहान लागली, मला पाणी पाहिजे, खूप खूप पाणी पाहिजे, चल मला एक ग्लास पाणी आणून दे. The warmth in your voice, that is the game changer. The connection, your touch that you are giving it to your child, that is the game changer. The first verbal cue you have given. Then Srushti doesn't understand. She's again engrossed. She doesn't want to listen. She's running here and there. Then she got up from your lap and running. Then second thing, Srushti, come. Taking her to the kitchen and showing her, pointing out that you can say the water, the tap, then everything, the container, and asking her, I want that, water. Please give it to me. Come on, fast, give it to me. You don't need to say please and all. Children को कभी please का आदत मत डालो. मैं सबसे बोल रही हूँ. ये बच्चों को ना please do this, please do that. ये ऐसा फालतू आदत मत डालो. Don't implement these don't use these words, please and all. We are parents, okay? We have to give command, but that command has to have a warmth in it, okay? Second clue, that is you have done. Third clue is very important. Then Srushti is not interested in doing. Then literally with gentle hands you will take a glass. You are going to hold her hand, take a glass, and okay, chalo Srushti. So इसमें कितना time गया? 10 minutes गया? 5 minutes गया? I think 5 minutes will. So it's okay. Even if you have done one command with using all the clues, you start doing it. 1 घंटे में 3 से 4 command भी बहुत है बच्चे के लिए. That is enough. You don't need to do 15-20 commands. Okay? Because over commands, okay, over commanding the child, over instructing the child, this causes auditory fatigue in the child. It's a very important phenomenon. Auditory fatigue, that should not be done. Okay? And the same thing about now uniform. She is a clever child. She hides her uniform. And if she doesn't want to go to school, it's okay. You take that uniform, start doing pretend play. Make that uniform wear to the teddy bear, और टेडी बेयर के ऊपर ऐसे डाल दो, खुद डालो ऐसे, ठीक है? आई एम लुकिंग सो गुड, आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल, ममा इज गोइंग टू स्कूल, लेट अस गो टू स्कूल. समथिंग लाइक दैट you should work out, okay? And when there are bad days, child doesn't want to go to school, let her be at home. कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. The child is only 4-year-old. Pushing her to the school and lifelong उसके दिल में वो स्कूल के लिए हेट्रेट पैदा करने से अच्छा है go with her flow. I always tell you कि देवभूति in her board's year also, 10th standard, today also, her attendance can be easily manageable. कोई भी school attendance manage करता है. You have to just explain them. She is on spectrum. There are some good days where she feels like coming. I'm going to push her. I'm going to send her every day. But there are some bad days where she just doesn't like. She cries, screams, she doesn't want to go. Don't force the child. Rather utilize that entire time at home with the child. मुझे पता है if the child goes to school you get little relax. थोड़ा आराम करने को मिलता है मम्मा को. मुझे पता है वो थोड़ा सा टाइम मिलता है घर के काम निपटने के लिए एंड ऑल. बट काम रह जाते हैं ना तो भी चल जाएगा. थोड़ा घर में से दिखा ना तो भी चल जाएगा. नॉट अ बिग डील. But don't force the child, okay? Do it that way. Let us move to the next question.
हॅलो मॅडम, गुड आफ्टरनून. मी गौरी तिकोने कामशेतवरून बोलत आहे. माझा मुलगा देवांश तिकोने हा 4 वर्षाचा पूर्ण झालेला आहे आणि वरती 6 महिने झालेले आहे, म्हणजे 4.5 वर्षाचा पूर्ण झालेला आहे. तर मॅडम त्याचे वर्ड्स म्हणजे शब्द बोललेले वाढतात आहेत. आपण जे बोलतो ते लगेच तो उच्चारतोय, पण अजूनपर्यंत काही गोष्टी अशा आहेत की त्याला पटकन समजत नाहीये.
दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणजे त्याचं जे बिहेवियर आहे ते थोडंसं चेंज झालंय. म्हणजे थोडंसं तो सेन्सरी इश्यू आहे असं वाटतं, की तो मधीच असं खूप जोरात नाही का खाली असं सोफ्यावरती पटापटा असं हात वगैरे हे करतो, हसतो, एकदा एकटाच हसतो. अशा गोष्टी आहेत की त्या थोड्या कमी कमी झाल्या पाहिजे, त्या वाढल्या नाही पाहिजे मॅडम. आणि एवढा माझा प्रॉब्लेम होता तुम्हाला सांगायचा, की तो हसतो आणि बडबड पण एकटा करत असतो.
Her mother's concern is Gauri's कि the child has got self-laughing behavior, laughter. You can say irrelevant laughter behavior. सबसे पहले तो मैं कहना चाहती हूँ all the parents, whenever the child is showing any behavior, first stop considering that it is irrelevant. It is not related to context. It is not. First stop thinking that. Okay? इससे ना अंडर एस्टिमेट करना पहले बंद करो बच्चों को, कि बच्चा हंस रहा है मतलब उसका ऐसे ही हंस रहा है विदाउट एनी रीज़न, कुछ जोक नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, फिर भी हंस रहा है. अरे व्हाट डू यू नो अबाउट व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन इन द चाइल्ड्स माइंड? व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन? See, I always say autism is a condition or any neurodivergent condition, ADHD ho, GDD ho, IDD ho, anything, any neurodivergent condition, what you see, it's a tip of the iceberg. It is just the tip of the iceberg. What is beneath? Because the child is not able to express, there is a lot beneath the ocean, maybe 7 times, 8 times, 10 times beneath the ocean. So first of all, जब भी बच्चा ऐसा कोई बिहेवियर दिखा रहा है ना गौरी, तो पहिले हे वाढलं नाही पाहिजे, हे झालं नाही पाहिजे, हे कधी नाही वाढणार, हे कब बंद होगा, ये कब रिलेवेंट होगा. सो वी हैव टू ट्रांसफॉर्म दैट इररिलेवेंट बिहेवियर टू रिलेवेंट बिहेवियर. ही इज लाफिंग, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग एट दैट टाइम? यू आर जस्ट वॉचिंग युअर चाइल्ड लाफिंग. इट शुड नॉट बी डन. गो टू द चाइल्ड, सिट विथ हिम, स्टार्ट लाफिंग. अरे काय झालं, किती मस्त हसतोस तू, मला वाटतं काहीतरी आठवलं तुला. This I am talking in Marathi, but something like related to that. What's happened? What happened? Oh, you are remembering something? I think about the school? Yes, I know that. Yesterday that lady we saw on the road, she just slept. क्या कहते हैं, और पैर फिसल गया उसका, okay? And she fell on the ground and we felt like laughing, but we did not. What are you doing here? It may be irrelevant. The child, you are flourishing the imagination of the child. You are giving meaning to his laughter. That is most important. Once you start doing it, you see that his irrelevant laughter will start transforming from irrelevancy to relevance. Okay, to relevant laughter. But you have to be a part of his world. He is not a part of your world right now because he is lacking in speech, he is lacking in communication, he is not able to bridge that gap. But you can definitely do, na? You can be a part of his world easily because you can peep into him. You are a mother, you are a father, you can peep into his world, you can peep into what things are going on, you can observe. Ye kab hoga? When you can peep into his world? Only when you are observing your child every now and then. It's not always teaching, it's not always preaching, it's not always sessions, it's not always activities, it's not always techniques, concepts, or doing something all the time with the child. Simply sometimes go on observing the child. You will learn a lot. Okay? Give freedom to your child to just be relaxed, okay, and stress free. Because increased stress, they don't have coping mechanism. Their coping mechanism is they are fighting every now and then. Increased stress in the sense कमांड बोलना, काम करवाना, ये स्ट्रेस नहीं है. बट द वे यू अप्रोच, वे यू फोर्स. For a neurotypical child, they have good coping mechanism. Sometimes they can say no, sometimes they can say, they can manipulate you, they can, you have asked him to do some work, the child will do half the work and he will tell you and come and tell you ki, I have done everything, I have done the things, I have finished. They are able to do that. They understand sarcasm, they understand bully. Our children are lacking in coping mechanism. We have to develop that into them. But when it can be developed? Only when you are becoming a part of his world. You start imagining his world, okay, and see how beautifully it changes, and with the practical things. Mayuri Ramdasi doesn't sit here just to do you preachings and everything, okay? It's a practical implementation, what we can do in day-to-day life. That Arula is teaching. That Arula is, you can say explaining. It is, creating that change in your life. Be ready for that change. Tell yourself, I am ready for, as a mother, as a father, I am ready for the change. I will change for my child. Okay? And see, things happen very beautifully. So we'll stop at this time. We'll stop at this time. I think it's a lot of time that we have taken. Though there are 3 questions, there are many questions come. But it is not possible always every week to cater all the questions that you also know. So I have restricted. We sort out the questions, same questions, we don't repeat. Mothers have to attend that, relate it to yourself, relate those questions to your situation and start implementing. So 3 questions per week is our target, okay, that we do it, that I do, okay. Thanks a lot. Hari Om, Shri Ram, Ambadnya. Nath Samvid, Nath Samvid.